Hi folks, welcome to R&R Commercials on what is a very sunny September day. So today we have got a little Volkswagen take-up. So this is a little gem. So one owner, let's say one owner, it's actually one previous keeper because the first name in the logbook is the dealership. So one former keeper on the logbook, but one owner from new. Full service history, 9 service stamps in total. The last one done in January at 29,000 miles. Also having the cam belt changed on that service as well. So that's the cam belt done for a number of years to go, or miles. It's currently done 30,000 miles. So extremely low mileage, and as you can see it is in absolute excellent condition, and this carries on inside. As you can see, very tidy. So with all our vehicles, they all come with 3 months AA warranty. This can be extended for anything up to 2 years. This will be MOT'd again. It's not due to run out until January, but we will put a fresh MOT on it. Always bear in mind that we are members of the Trading Standards Partnership for South Yorkshire. If you are wanting finance, pop onto our website. We use Evolution Funding. They have access to many different lenders, so we normally can accommodate for most credit ratings. Just an easy online application. For any more information, please give us a call on 01709 554 644 and ask for Rob, or you can drop in and see us. We're just on Meadowbank Road, up from junction 34 of junction 34 of the M1 near Meadowhall, Rotherham side. Thank you.